Hello, in this video, I want to teach you on how to draw a simple circuit by using Felsted.com simulator. In the previous video, when we open the simulator, the screen appears like this. So for the first thing, we need to delete it by clicking Edit tab and choose Select All. And then press the delete button on your keyboard, and here we go. Now let's draw the simple circuit that is shown on the right. There are four basic components of the circuit, which are battery, switch, resistor, and connecting wire. First of all, let's draw a battery. Click the Draw tab, choose the input and sources, and select Add Voltage Source for 2 terminal and draw it. For switch, click Draw tab, choose the passive component, and select Add Switch. Note that we can open or close the switch by clicking on it. Okay, to draw a resistor, click the Draw tab and add resistor. Finally, to connect all the components, select Add Wire. And we are done. Now, when we run the circuit, the current will flow. In the next video, I will teach you on how to set the value of voltage and resistance.